All right. So we're going to scroll down here in just a second and jump into questions 8 and 9 about reflecting. And just to highlight here in our slides for today, if you made it down to slide number 4, there's the reflection video. And then, oh man, it just kind of moved it forward here, but let's see if I can make this video bigger and get to the point here where it pretty much answers our question. What we're looking, if we don't remember, this is from pre-algebra, 8th grade, for reflecting. And here they have reflecting over the y-axis. So that was our question number 8. When you reflect across the y-axis, we see our original point here, 5, 4. We see that it's going to go onto the other side of the y-axis, and it's the same distance away. We notice that that positive 5 of our x value, which was over here in our coordinates, is now going to change to the negative 5. So let's play that and see that real quick. So when we reflect across the y-axis, there we see, beautiful, and I'm going to pause that there. We see that goes negative 5, 4. So when we reflect across the y-axis, the y value stays the same, and the x is pretty much the opposite. And the x value, I think, is right ahead of this one, I think. Let me see. Yeah. So I'm going to jump to there real quick, and there we can see, okay, this doesn't have the point. Let me see if it got the point here. No, it was, I guess that is the one I'm looking for here. Here we go. So when we go across the x-axis, and we can see the x-axis is now highlighted in this example, we're using that same starter point, 5, 4, but this time, instead of changing the the x value you can see here is highlighted. The 5 stays the same. It's going to stay that same distance on the x-axis. But then we are going to go ahead,
please, Mr. Listen to the office.
And you can see here that the y value in this case went ahead and made the opposite happen here. So I'm going to jump over to number, I think it was 9 in our examples here, and check it out. So for instance, our first one here, the negative 3 would stay the same, and then the negative 1 would be the opposite. So our first coordinate here that would go through the transformation would be negative 3, positive 1. And then our next one would be the 2 would stay the same, and then again, you would do the opposite.